To access the journal in CustodyKeep, start by navigating to the CustodyKeep dashboard. Hover over Journal and click to open it. This takes you to the Journal page, a dedicated space for recording insights and tracking both general legal and personal notes throughout your legal journey. Each entry can include the date, title, category, notes, tags, and any relevant files or media. When you're ready to create a new journal entry, simply click the New button and begin adding your entry. For instance, you might title it So Happy Today, dated the 18th, under the Personal Notes category. Express your feelings freely in the notes. Use tags like feelings, happy, and none for easy categorization, and close it out once done. Your entries will be neatly organized and easily accessible. The journal also features categories for sorting entries. To find an entry under a specific category like personal, just click on Categories and select your desired entry. You can return to your list of entries anytime. Additionally, the journal allows you to search by tags and categories,